Hey guys, in this video I'm going to I'm going to teach you guys about concatenation. Now, what does the word concatenate mean? Concatenate means to combine two or more things together, right? So concatenation a lot of times is used to combine or to join two different columns together without any spaces, right? So as you can see here, the lowercase and uppercase, the first name and the last name, they're next to each other, but there's a huge amount of space right here. So if I just wanted to join them together so that there's no space, I just want to see the first name and the last name joined together, I would just simply use the keyword concat. So I'll do what? Describe the HR employees table again. Right, so I do select concat first name, comma, last name from HR dot employees. As you can see, it combines the what? The first name and the last name together. Right? That's all it does. Concat just does what? This combines two different columns at the same time. Now, what if I wanted to combine three at the same time? What if I wanted the salary as well? So I would do select. Let's see if it works. Select. And then, let's say I want to see the salary as well. And it'd be from HR.employees. Right? You see? You can't have but two. You can only do what? Two of these at a time. You see that, right? Very good. All right, so now I'm going to teach you guys how to combine two different columns at the same time, right? But this time, I'm going to teach you a different way to do it. And this time, we're going to use the double pipe. And the pipe sign is the one that looks like a broken 11 underneath your backspace button. Right? So let's do a different way of combining first name and last name. So I do what? Select first name. Then I do double pipe, right? Last name from HR.employees. And as you can see, it does the same thing. It combines what? The first name and the last name. But what if I said I wanted to combine the last name and first name, but I wanted to separate it with a comma? So what would I do? I cannot use concat. The only thing I can use is use the double pipe. So, but this time I would do select first name, double pipe, then quote, comma, quote, then I do the double pipe again, last name from HR employees. And as you can see, it gives me what? The last name, comma, and the first name and then the last name. What if I wanted to see the first name and last name just separated by a space? What would I do? I would do select first name, double pipe, quote. Then I would physically hit the space button. Then quote again, double pipe from HR employees. Whatever you're trying to separate the first name and last name by must go between the two double pipes and the two single quotes. So I'm going to press enter. Now as you can see, it's separated by what? First name and last name. So now what if I want to do it by a comma and a space? So I do what? Copy this, space, comma, space, and I copy the rest. Semicolon, enter. As you can see, Peter Vargas. So what if I wanted to join three tables like we tried to do before with the concat? How would I do? So if I wanted to see the first name, last name, and the employee ID, how would that work? So what I would do is I would do select, let's say, I would do, so I want to see the first name, last name, and employee ID. Okay, so I could do select and separate it by a comma. right? right? Then I would do a double pipe again, quote, space, comma, space, quote, then double pipe again, then employee underscore ID from HR to employees. You see that? So it gives me my last name, my first name, and the employee ID number, right? So with Concat, you cannot combine multiple columns at the same time, but with the double pipe, you can, right? You can combine multiple columns, and double pipe is one that's mostly used. But if you just want to combine both of them at the same time without any spaces, then sure, you can use Concat. All right, so I'll talk to you guys soon.